we have a fun one to look at today, the President Andy 2 FCC. Chris from Chris Travels, and let's dig in. Having friends and family in law enforcement and firefighting, they have taught me the importance of a CB. So when we decided to embark on our RV journey, so let's see what happens as we go 1,400 miles.
To go pick up the camper we haven't even walked into.
We haven't seen it, except for on a video and a few pictures. I wasn't leaving home without one, and I decided to pick the President Andy 2 for several reasons. And one big reason is that there is a high probability you'll be able to find somebody with a CB in the event that there's no cell service. Let's be real, as RVers or motorhomists, we travel to uncharted areas and beyond. And there is a lot of places that do not have cell reception. In the event of an emergency, you're able to communicate with a CB. So that is what I chose. This right here has a 7-color display. One of the biggest selling points for me was the enormous display. I don't like to look at things more than I have to when I'm driving because I like to stay focused on the road. I like being able to see information immediately. Has a wonderful mic, keys up very nicely, has weather, which is important if you're in the middle of nowhere. It is 12 and 24 volts. The only thing that you would need to add is an antenna, but that's true for any CB. Just get you a good antenna. Pretty pictures on the back. Let's see what's inside the box. This is just a aesthetic thing, but I think that this CB looks amazing. Just the visual appeal of this unit. It's very, very nice. Here is the President Andy 2 unit with the blue background. I think the blue background is amazing. Right now I'm running channel 19.
6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 0 to 5 p.m. conditions from around the area. Sunny. The temperature was 84 degrees. Humidity 25%.
There's our weather.
17 miles an hour gusting to 20.
We have our, let me move the handset out of the way. Okay, that kind of just happened.
Gusting to 22.
It has scan, has auto squelch. Amazing. So I just mounted it to this armrest that I built right underneath my halo view. That's right underneath my TPMS. This unit also has a USB port, so you can charge your cell phone, you can charge your TPMS like the one that I have, or other items. So yeah, it's 2.1 amp. It's awesome. They really outdone themselves with this unit. I paid less than $100 for this unit from Amazon. I will put a link in the description down below. Well, that's about it. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Do you have a CB? Do you have a CB model in mind that you like? Let us all know down below so we all can get involved. Well, until next time, this is Chris from Chris Travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.